Hi, we're back again doing some math. We've already done the front side, page 281, and now we're going to check 282. I asked you to do this page on your own first and then watch the video here to go over the answers together to see how well you did. If you haven't done it, go ahead and stop the video, do this side, and then hit resume, and we'll check to see how great you did. The top part here actually seems almost too easy. They want you to circle the objects that look like the solid figure. So they give us the solid figure here on the side, and we're to look at the group of real objects and circle the ones that would apply. But sometimes there's more than one. So let's look at number one. We're looking for something that is a cylinder shape. And you probably noticed right away that the can, right? Lots of cylinders. We use cylinders actually quite a bit. The soup can here is a cylinder, but so is the cake. So in this one, you would have circled both the cake and the soup can. And number two, we're looking for rectangular prisms, really just any type of box, right? So here we have a gift that's in a box. We also have a tissue box, right? All right, that would be another example of a rectangular prism. Next, we have a rectangular pyramid. All right, do you see? We have a couple of those here. Here and here. A lot of times they are put together with other shapes to create something. Some houses even have this type of roof on it, so you have to look around, see as you're driving around, hopefully getting out, even though we're kind of limited where we go and what we do. Hopefully you can get out and take a walk or drive and check out buildings and houses. You'll find lots of shapes and see if you can name them. Or as you're walking around the house, you'll see lots of rectangular prisms, lots of spheres. Cones and pyramids are a little bit harder to find, as I found when I was trying to find some examples around the house. So see if you can do a better job at finding them at your house than I did. Let's fill in the chart here below. They want us to put an X in the box if the solid figure has faces, edges, vertices, or curved surfaces. Now we've been doing this several times now. It should be getting easier. Remember, the first one is a sphere. A sphere has no flat sides, so it doesn't have any edges, and it doesn't have any points. So the only thing that a sphere has is it has a curved surface. It's actually one curved surface. What about a cube? Does it have faces? Yes, the flat sides, those are faces. Does it have edges? Yeah, all these are edges where we would draw a line. That's an edge. The vertices are the points or the corners. Yes, it has that. Does it have any curved surfaces? No, so we'll leave that box blank. The last one in this box table is a cylinder. Does a cylinder have any flat edges, flat sides, I should say? Faces, yes, it does. It has two, one on each end. Does it have any edges? No, it doesn't have any edges like a cube does. What about points? No, no vertices either. But it does have a curved surface. The rounded part, that's one large curved surface. All right. Let's go down to the bottom. It's reviewing, reading a thermometer. All right. So, and all of these, none of them are negatives, which is probably something we could have used a little bit more help with. But again, they're afraid maybe you have forgotten. So they want to help us out. And number 5 should be 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 6 is 65. Number 7 is 36. Notice how it's just 35 is the big line. It's just one more. Number 8 is 84. Number 9 is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. And number 10 is 3 degrees. Okay, so we start at 0 and count up, and we get 3. For 11 and 12, they want you to do the coloring in. All right, so you've got to color in the thermometer for 15. So each, right, the larger, longer lines are all 10s. Notice that there's one here in the middle. So these are 5s. 5, 10, 15. So we come to this next larger line. Draw that and then fill it in. And the next one is 36. Again, here's 30. This next line in between 30 and 40 is 35. And 36 is just one more above that. And then we color in the rest here. And you have a pencil, so it's a little bit easier than the marker. You could be more detailed than I can. So I hope that helps. Hopefully that seemed pretty easy. Oh, and up here, this is pretty cool. We've talked a little bit, well, we didn't get to talk at length. We've mentioned the tabernacle, and that was one of the things that a few of you expressed a study in. So maybe that would be something that you could do for a Bible time along with your family, is to learn more about the tabernacle. Okay, remember when the Israelites were wandering in the wilderness, right? God instructed them to build a tabernacle, place where he could come and dwell among them. So again, that just something for you to do when the weather's not as nice to be outside. I hope this helped. I hope things are really coming together. Miss you. And I look forward to getting to do another video with you next time. Bye.